Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to remove the Google search bar from your Android home screen, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. In most cases, the Google search bar is just a widget, which means you can remove it like any other widget. Long press on the search bar, and if you see the option to remove or remove from home, tap it. This will instantly take it off your home screen, but depending on your device and Android version, this option might not always be available. If you can't remove it directly, another way is to disable the Google app. To do this, go to Settings, then Apps, find Google, and tap Disable. This will remove the search bar, but keep in mind that it may also turn off other Google services, like Google Assistant. If you don't use those features, this is a simple fix. Another option is to use a third-party launcher like Nova Launcher. Many stock Android launchers don't let you remove the Google search bar, but third-party launchers give you full control over your home screen layout. With a launcher like Nova, you can completely hide the search bar or replace it with something else. For some Android versions, the search bar is tied to Google Assistant or search features in the Google app settings. If that's the case, go to the Google app settings and look for options related to Search, Assistant, or Discover, and disable them if necessary. You can also check your home screen settings to see if your device allows you to change the layout and remove the bar that way. That's it. Now you know how to remove the Google search bar from your Android home screen. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.